Did you know that every 1 minute there are 5 births and there are 5 deaths? But what about those people? What about those single mother in the ghetto raising their kids and don't even know where their kids are sometimes? Every 1 minute, 5 are born and 5 are dead. Another ghetto mother has lost her head. He's only 10 years old, but the tree hasn't bent. Serotonin imbalance is so hard to mend. Standing in the streets, popping off lead. Another ghetto mother has lost her head. He's alive, but dead, just doesn't know it yet. He has nothing to lose. He has nothing to regret. She prays all night. She cries in bed. Another ghetto mother has lost her head. She stares in the coffin, silent he laid. For the life he had taken, that's how he paid. But when all is done and all is said, another ghetto mother, son is dead. Another ghetto mother has lost her head.